Hi guys, well here it is. It's the Hot Toys Iron Monger figure for those people who have copious amounts of money in their bank account. I actually have to say I'm pretty impressed with it. I think it looks very nice. It looks great actually, going by the size that it was at the toy fairs. And I think the attention to detail and everything, I think it's one of the nicest Iron Man figures to come out for a long time. Comes with a Jeff Bridges head sculpt, even though it's very similar to the Kevin Flynn one, I think the few changes that they've made, the likeness of Jeff Bridges is a lot better there, and you can pop that head off and stick it on a true type and make your own Obadiah Stane figure. So that would be nice if you just want to close up, which most people will want to close up Ironmonger, and you can then have Obadiah Stane standing next to it, probably in your display, which would look better. I like the paint finish on it. I think it looks great, and it's got missiles and all sorts of things attached to it. So, jet rocket feet and everything like that. So I think Hot Toys have done a pretty good job. Now we just wait and see how much it's going to cost. Seeing as it's come out Thursday morning in the UK. I think it'll most likely make the Sideshow newsletter, and we'll be finding out a price in the very near future. Should be interesting, and I won't be getting it, but I will be looking forward to people who do a video review of it, or post up nice pictures on the forums. I'll catch you later.